So, there would be, this is a popular diplomatic route from Addis Ababa to Nairobi, home of a number of UN agencies.
Robin, I'm going to let you go, and you can get on with, getting some reporting on the ground. For us back to you as soon as you get some substantive information. Thank you. Robin just arriving on the scene there. Let's just stay on this tragedy because, as I said, families across dozens of countries are now mourning their loved ones. A spokesperson for Ethiopian Airlines says the victims were of 35 different nationalities. We will bring you all the information as we get it. There are, of course, many more questions than answers as we speak. We have heard from the Kenyans, one of the ministers speaking a little earlier. This is what he said.
What is critically important is to ensure that those families and friends of those passengers on board are accorded the highest level of privacy as we wait for more information.
And the office of the Ethiopian Prime Minister tweeted the following. Let me just bring that up. And this, of course, is only hours ago. I mean, it's Sunday evening here in Abu Dhabi. It's 20 to 8 in the evening. This flight going down in the morning, Ethiopian time. The office of the Prime Minister saying, and I quote, "On behalf of the government and people of Ethiopia, we'd like to express its deepest condolences to the families of those who have lost their loved ones on Ethiopian Airlines flight 302. This was a Boeing 737 on a regularly scheduled flight."
ጠቅላይ ሚኒስትር ዶክተር አብይ አህመድ በትዊተር ገጻቸው ላይ ኢትዮጵያንና ኢትዮጵያን ሕዝቦች በመወከል ለአደጋ ለደረሰባቸው ሕዝቦች ቤተሰቦች ያላቸውን ሀዘን ገልጸዋል። በሀዘን መግለጫቸው ላይ በኢትዮጵያ አየር መንገድ ቦይንግ 737 ለደረሰው አደጋ እጅግ ማዘናቸውን ገልጸው ትዊት አድርገው ነበረ። በዚህ የአየር አደጋ 149 መንገደኞች እና 8 ሰራተኞች መሞታቸው ነው የተዘገበው። ከተለያዩ ሀገሮች ያሉ ናቸው። ኬንያ 32 የኬንያ ዜግነት ያላቸው፣ የኢትዮጵያ 8 ዜግነት ያላቸው እነሱም ሰራተኞች መሆናቸው ነው። ከተለያዩ ሀገሮች የተውጣጡ ነው። ብዙ ሀገሮች ናቸው የተገናኙ እና ቦይንግ 737 800 ማክስ የሚባል ነው።
And it's early days, and I agree with the earlier comment. Can you hear me? Sorry.
Yes,
I agree. Sorry, I agree with the earlier comment that the communication has been slow. It's difficult to speculate why, but it's essential that Ethiopia maintains a regular flow of information which lasts beyond the first few hours or even days. I'm in Addis Ababa, and it's quite sad here. Everyone is saddened by the crisis. Ethiopian is the most trusted and admired airline brand in Africa. It has a vast intra-Africa network better than any other airline. It has been registering an average growth of 25% per annum for the last 7 years. It's quite it will require a lot of hard work now to maintain trust and to rebuild confidence from the leaders of the organization and the country.
Yeah, of course it will. Our thoughts and prayers at this early stage, of course, with the victims' families, and as you say, in the days to come, there will be more information about what exactly went wrong. We have very little information as we speak, but important to point out that this is an airline with a very good safety history, a very big airline from that hub in Addis, Ethiopian Airlines.
በነገራችን ላይ ዛሬ ከአዲስ አበባ የተነሳው 737 ቦይንግ አውሮፕላን ዛሬ ይከስከስ እንጂ የኢትዮጵያ አየር መንገድ በዓለም አሉ ከሚባሉ ትላልቅ አየር መንገዶች አንዱ መሆኑን እየገለጸች ነው። በየሀገሩ
On
የደረሰባቸው
Tuesday, British lawmakers are set for a second meaningful vote on
በተለያዩ
British Prime
ቦታ
Minister
እየሰሩበት
Theresa
ነው
May's
ማለት ነው።
deal.